afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm here at Marposs Group. Thank you, Dinesh, and it's good to meet you after a gap of a month. So tell me, what are you showing us today at your booth?
Good afternoon, everyone, and thanks, Mishmak Media, for visiting Marposs at this Imtex exhibition 2024 at booth number C114 in Hall 3A. As you already aware that Marposs is a worldwide leader in measurement, inspection, and testing solutions. We are providing solutions from automotive, aerospace, 3C market, energy segment, any industry you name, we have a solution. So we are supplying our solution from watch to moon. So
So let's
let me
start with this machine.
let me walk you through the products which we have displayed here today at the Imtex exhibition 2024. So here we have showcased products like you see at my back. It's dedicated to the casting industry. Let me have my colleague who can explain you briefly about the solution. Praveen, can you explain briefly about the product?
Yeah, sure. The system is called TTV, Total Thermal Vision. This is comes under the die casting segment. Okay. Using infrared technology, we are measuring the monitoring the die temperatures in various regions. Using these systems, you can increase your productivity, you can plan your maintenance, and you can decrease your cycle time. And we have many more options in this.
And anything you want to add, Dinesh?
Yeah, this solution is basically used in the HPDC, LPDC, and GDC machines, and it uses infrared to detect, analyze, and monitor the surface temperature of die in foundries. And this is a very innovative product which Marposs has launched last year during Alucas exhibition, and we have already conducted trials at few renowned customers in India, and we are in a stage of negotiating the order with them, and I see a bigger potential of this product in India. So this is all about this product, and let us go to
Thank you.
let us go to another product. It's a Opto Flash. So we have Jatin with us who can explain you more
Good
about it.
afternoon, Mr. Batra. It's good to see you after our meeting from New Delhi.
Hello, Mr. Dinesh. How are you?
Good, Mr. Batra.
Yeah, I'm also good. This is the Opto Flash machine
Okay.
supplied by Marposs, and it is an optical gauge for the measurement of the shaft in the
Okay.
fastener. We also have the different products for the measurements of the shaft, for the other gauges like the cam profile and the crankshaft machines, like this. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Batra. You want to add anything?
Yeah, this solution we have displayed for inspection of the screws, fasteners, and it is a non-contact type solution. And we receive a lot of inquiries these days, especially for this product. And hopefully, like we will be able to share more of such system in India. So let us go on to another product. So with us, Ayush is here, who will explain
Hello.
Hi,
you about
Ayush.
this
Hello, sir.
product.
Hello.
Ayush, can you explain briefly about this
Sure,
product?
sure. So this product which we have showcased this time is basically used to measure the wires diameter and the ovality, and it will give you in both the facility, which is inline and offline facility, and you can also provide the feedback to the machine as well. If, for example, you are seeing that okay, my part is going out of tolerance, then I need to generate the alarm, or for example, you need to send the feedback to the machine as well. It can do that.
And how is the response of people who have seen this machine so far?
So by now the response has been great. There were several number of leads which we have generated by now. So yeah, its response has been great. Yes.
And you want to add anything?
Yeah, this Aeroil solution, it's a ultra precision laser micrometer,
Okay.
and it is used in for the like diameter measurement and ovality in the wire and cables. So we are doing the trials of this system to the customer also. We have like both offline solution and the online solution. Along with that, we have one HWS, that is a handy wire scanner. So which you can see, it's one of the unique product which we have, and this is our USP, compared to the competition.
Is it working?
Yes, yes,
Can you show me a little demo?
sure, sure, sure. So, for example, this wire is in a running condition. This wire is in running condition, so probably it can give you diameter like this.
You just shoot like Mr. Dinesh will how does it work? Okay, you have to.
So here you can see the value. So the value we see, it's a real value, absolute value of the wire which we are checking.
So it's a great hand.
And also you can transfer the value from here directly to the PC and it can be stored and later customer can do the analysis.
That means the software manager or software guy can
You're tired?
sitting in your system, he can have a look.
Have
Right,
energy.
right, right.
Thank you. Thank you.
I would say it's close to
Now
five,
moving
so
on to
therefore maybe
forming parts. So here you see these are the solutions. These are process monitoring solutions which are dedicated to cold forming and stamping. So here we have our colleagues, Mr. Vikas and Joachim Kruger.
Hello,
So
Mr. Kruger.
Hello.
Guten Morgen and guten Tag and welcome to India.
Vielen Dank. Thank
we
you.
will explain you more about it.
Yeah. Yeah, hello. My name is Joachim Krüger. I'm working in Germany for Marposs Monitoring Solutions, and I'm responsible for the forming product line inside the Marposs group. So I would like first to hand over the microphone to Vikas. He's our senior service specialist in India with more than 10 years experience, and he can explain you in detail the monitoring units.
Hello. Here we are demonstrating over here is the product related to the process monitoring for the cold forming as well as the stamping application, where we are using some sensors based equipment so that you have the information related to the process which is occurring to the machine. Then based on the inputs, we can trigger the output for detection of the tool breakages, machine protection, as well as the slug detections, so that you are moving towards the zero defect machining.
And these are different products or these are the same line?
Yeah, these are the different product range where we have from the very basic solution for the a very simple solution. Then we go for multiple operations where we can accommodate more than 10 sensors to it. So that is the difference between the different electronics.
This and between that too is the upgradation. That is the
Upgradations,
top one.
yeah, sure.
So Dinesh, do you want to say something about that machine?
Yeah, it's like here you can see it's a prototype which we have shown here. So it's a typical stamping machine. So here just we are showing that where we are putting the sensor. So here you can see we put the sensor inside the conrod and there is a stipper plate. We put a sensor there also. And here you can see the value of the force. This is the actual value of reference load. So here you can see like these values.
And
And
how is the response of the people who have visited and saw the demo?
yeah, we receive a great response from the people who have visited during the stall or exhibition, and also there are potential inquiries which we have, and for sure post exhibition we are going to visit and see their machine, and we have to customize the our product to fit their requirements.
Can we talk about Mr. Kruger and now let's move to the main thing that is Industry 4.0.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
So here you can see that all our units from Schwer& Kopka and Brancamp can be connected to the customer network, and the customer can install on his server a software called See-Through. And as you can see here, the customer has directly from his office an overview which machine is in production mode or which machine has a break or a downtime, and you see directly the reason. And the benefit is with the monitoring units, we can forward the job from the ERP system down to the machine and collect all the data, runtime, setup time, downtime of the machines, and send it back to the server. And then the customer is able to do very quickly reports like OEE, like downtime. He see directly, did I reach the target or not? And he can find out what are the main reasons for my downtimes, and he can improve this. With this functionality, he can improve his complete productivity in the company.
I have a question that if a customer wants only software
Yeah.
without hardware, so are you giving that as well, or customer has to have a complete solution?
At the end, we can connect machines in different ways. If they don't use the process monitoring unit, we have other small terminals, we have group terminals, or the basic version, just to check if the machine is running or not, is with counting modules that gives us the information the machine is running or not.
And you are there in the booth for the last 2 days. You have interacted with so many customers. How is the response according to you is for the products which we have displayed?
So I think this year we really have a good topic for this show because everyone is asking to connect the machines, yeah, to send information to the ERP system, to have the data, to make the analysis. So I think we introduced this to more than 20 customers in the first 2 days, which I think is very successful.
And Dinesh, what is your take? The 2 days have passed with Mr. Kruger. You have attended so many customers. What is the main thing that customers are looking, and what sort of response you are getting?
In Indian industry, customer, they are asking for industry 4.0. So they want to know the OEE of the machines and the runtime of the machine. What is the runtime? What is the downtime? And why the defect has come in the process, and the quality things. And they want everything to be recorded on a remote PC server. So we have this see-through software. It's a very advanced software, and these days, most of the customer, they are asking for such innovative software to be integrated with our system on the machine, so that they can get the data and they can do the analysis, and they can improve their processes.
Mr. Kruger, you handle global market. You
Yes.
are there in all the parts of the country meeting client. How what difference you see when from the European market to Indian market for your products, the customer buying pattern or market? What sort of trends you are looking at?
Yeah. So of course we see it different because, for example, the product line for the forming technology process modeling it was developed in Germany. So the customers were very early in contact with this. The pressure from the automotive industry is high. So we started here 10, 15 years ago, and it was not so easy to explain our technologies to the customer. Whether now the customers are coming, they're asking for sensors, they're asking to connect the machines. So therefore, I think now it's the same level. Everyone is asking Industry 4.0, so it should be up standard line that all machines are connected and the customer is able to find out the weak point of the production.
And then is any anything you want to say to our readers, to the visitors who are coming? What should they because everybody when they plan their Imtex or any trade show, they have something in my mind. What special? Why people should come to Marposs booth? What sort of latest technology you are displaying?
So here you have already seen the
Yeah.
a part of the products which we have showcased here, dedicated to the forming and the stamping applications. And Marcos is doing a lot. We are in doing we are providing the measurement solutions for the EV testing of the electrical motors, biomedical also, semiconductor also. So any industry you name, we have a solution to offer to customer. And the good thing about Marcos is that we have our own repair center at Manesar and Pune, and we are maintaining a stock of inventory at Manesar, so that customer never stop their machine, and they can keep their machine running continuously. So this is our agenda, to increase the efficiency of the machine by offering these innovative solutions. And I would request everyone to contact us, uh, and we do visit our stall at this Imtex exhibition 2024 at Marcos booth C114, hall number 3A.
Ladies and gentlemen, do visit Marposs booth at Imtex 2024, hall number 3. Thank you, Mr. Kruger.
Thank you very much for your
And
visit.
thank you, Dinesh.
Yeah, thank you, Meshmak
And
Media, for
danke, and look forward to see
Bitteschön.
you sometime in Germany. Thank you.
Vielen Dank.